Mimbela, no good. Suárez, outside. Mimbela, pass to Príncipe. To Perez. Set lock 14. Mimbela, basket. Suárez, pass to Penuela, attack. No good, rebound by Mimbela. Basket by Mimbela. Penuela. Basket. Mimbela pass to Príncipe. To Perez. No good by Turin. Pass to Arroyo. No good, rebound by Perez. To Turin. No good, Turin again. There's a foul. Turin, first attempt. No good again by Turin. Rebound by Perez. Set lock, 10. Príncipe. Intercept. Intercept again by Perez. Three points. Perez. Suárez. It's a layup by Suárez. Mimbela. Set lock 14. Set lock 10. 5. There's a foul. Foul number 5. Mimbela. Set lock 10. Steal by Penuela. Penuela. Pass to Gallo. No good. Rebound by Perez. Traveling violation by Perez. Suárez. Brazil. No good. Team Príncipe 14. Arroyo 2-2. Príncipe. Back to Mimbela. Set lock 14. Perez. No good. Rebound by Casino. Pass to Arroyo. To Suárez. To Penuela. Attack. 3 points. Score 10-all. Mimbela outside. 5 minutes remaining time. Intercept by Mimbela. Príncipe 4-3. Gallo pass to Penuela. Attack. No good. Rebound by Gayo. Here's a foul. Foul number 24. Principe is first personal foul. 4 minutes, 31 seconds. We get a 10 basket. Principe. Pass to Perez. Attempt. Outside by Turin. Pidwela. There's a foul. Pidwela, there's a 10. No. You get a 10 basket. 4 minutes remaining time. Score 14 all. Principe. There's a foul for number 18. Massino is second personal foul. There's a 10 basket. Second attempt, basket. Suarez, pass to Amoyo. Attempt, no good. Rebound by Gayo. Basket by Gayo. Now pass to Principe. Basket. Pidwela, foul basket. Foul number 12. Pidwela for the bonus free throw. No good, rebound by Turin. Pass to Pidwela. 8 seconds violation. Amoyo, pass to Sulis. Pass to Gayo, foul basket. Basket by Gayo. Score 20-17 in favor of defense. Principe. No good. Rebound by Sulis. No good. Rebound by Principe. 2 minutes remaining time. Amoyo. Pass to Massino. Drive. No good. Rebound by Pidwela. Basket. Pidwela, pass to Principe. To Perez. No good. Rebound by Pidwela. No good. Piso, basket. Outside. Principe. Shot clock 14. 10. Pidwela, basket. Principe. Pass to Turin, basket. 40 seconds. Intercept. Intercept by Sulis. Pass to Pidwela. Basket by Sulis. Ball number 14, Turin is second. Rebound by Sulis. Foul basket again by Sulis. Bonus free by Sulis. Basket. 15 seconds. 10. Three, no good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Score 29-21 in favor of Team A. No good by Apple. Intercept by Apple. Basket by number 5. Shot clock 14. No good. Forget pass to Yosa. Outside. No good. Basket by Taglobo. Príncipe, no good. Rebound by Peñoso. Pass to Quieto. To Peñoso. Basket by Peñoso. Ocampo, no good. Rebound by Peñosa. Pass to Quieto. Attack. 3-4. Martinez intercept by Peñosa. Pass to Quieto. No good. Martinez. No good. Rebound by Oak. Outside by Ocampo. Quieto. Attack. 3-4. 2 points, 2 points. Bala, attack. No good. Rebound by Taglobo. Pass to Peñosa. No good. Rebound by Bala to Martinez. No good. Rebound by Ocampo. Basket by Ocampo. Quieto. No good by Taglobo. Rebound break. There's a foul. Foul number 34. Alarcon is first personal foul. Taglobo, Figueroa, basket. Príncipe. 3-4. Quieto. Pass to Taglobo. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. Intercept by Bala. Pass to Príncipe. Basket by Príncipe. 6 minutes remaining time. Quieto. Intercept by Martinez to Príncipe. No good. Peñosa to Quieto. Peñosa. No good. Rebound by Alarcon. Pass to Príncipe. Intercept. Quieto. Attack. 3-4. Quieto. 3-4. Principe, attempt. No good. Outside.
Sila, hindi wide player.
Oquendo. Basket. Martinez, shot clock 14, Ocampo. Pass to Alarcon, basket. Oquendo, 3-4. Martinez, pass to Bama, basket by Bama. Tagloko, reverse by Tagloko. Martinez, attack. No good, rebound by Pedrosa. Pedrosa, Oquendo. To Tagloko, no good. Tagloko again. Outside by Alarcon. Ocampo. No good. Reset by On. Pedrosa. Basket by Pedrosa. 3 minutes remaining time. Principe. Pass by Alarcon. Basket by Alarcon. Oquendo. Basket. Principe. Pass to Bala. Shot clock 10. Basket by Bala. 2 points. Oquendo. No good. Pedrosa. Shot clock 10. Tagloko. No good. Rebound by Ocampo. Ocampo. Outside. Oquendo.
Oquendo, another three. Yes, sir! Grabe si Oquendo. He can't miss. Alarcon, attempt for three. No good. Outside. Alarcon. Bulas ang Team F. 53 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Ah, boy.
15 seconds. Pedrosa. No good. Set by Bawang. 14 seconds. Bawang, attempt. No good. Rebound by Pedrosa. To Oquendo.
Oquendo, another three. Bang! Another three for number 5, Oquendo.
24 seconds. 20 seconds. Bawang. Back to Martinez. To Ocampo. Basket by Ocampo. 10 seconds.
10 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Ah, boy. Now to Taglukop. His teammate, Taglukop. Basket for 2. Buzzer beater in the end. First half. Team F leading by 30 points.
38 in favor of Team F. Miguela back to Perez. Perez intercept by Talavera. Pass to Tocino. No good, rebound by Perez. Pass to Mandil. There's a pass. Miguela. Pass to Mandil. There's a foul from under 5. Shot clock 14. Miguela. Pass to Martinez. Basket by Martinez. Talavera, pass to Penuela. Outside. Talavera. Intercept by Martin. It's Penuela by Martin.
Back-to-back basket by Mandin. Here's Pasino. Drop.
Pass to
Pass to Penuela. Fakes. Penuela shoots. No good. Rebound. Pasino. Offensive rebound.
Shot clock 14.
Out to Penuela. Penuela.
Penuela.
Putting a move. Penuela.
Shot clock
Set screen.
12.
Penuela for three. Bang! 3 points for number 4. Noy Penuela.
Rivera.
Imbela.
Pass to
Pass to
Martinez.
Martinez. Number 29. To Mandin. Well defended. Mandin. Oh! Basket! What a shot by number 2. Mandin. Garande ang team B. Talavera, number 13. Pass to Pasino. Back to Talavera. To Pindon. Pindon drive, shoots. No good. Rebound, Mandin. Another rebound. Mandin moves. There's a foul.
Foul jersey number 56.
Foul number 56, Pindon.
Personal foul.
First personal foul on Pindon. Two free throws for number 2 of Team B. Clement John Mandin. Basket.
Scores 71-45 in favor of Team F.
2 out of 2 for Mandin.
Basket by Mandin.
Score natin 71-46 in favor of Team F. Talavera dribbling.
Talavera.
Pass to Pindon. Pindon to Gayo. Good shot. What a shot by Gayo. Turnaround J. Mandin defended by Pasino. Out to Martinez. Martinez fakes. Martinez. Running shot by number 29. Nagarandi ang Team B. 73-48 in our third quarter.
Talavera.
Talavera.
Pass to Penuela.
Penuela for 3. No good. Rebound Pasino. Grabe di ang obra ni Pasino sa aton nga third quarter.
Third personal foul.
Kilala ni siya sa defense kag siya nga has.
First team foul. No good.
Basket.
6 minutes 15 seconds remaining time.
Bella. Dribbling the ball.
Rivera, pass to Martinez.
Martinez.
To Ocampo.
Ocampo. Basket yan for number 19. Ocampo.
6 minutes
Nice
remaining
move
time.
by the young fellow. Soles. Dribbling, facilitating.
Shot clock 14.
Out to Pasino. Pasino looking for teammate. Back to Soles. Out to Penuela. Penuela putting a move. Defended by Mandin. Outside.
Shot clock 4.
4 seconds remaining on our shot clock. 4 seconds to shoot.
3
seconds.
3,
Doon.
2,
Pasino. No good.
good ball.
There's a foul. Loose ball foul on number 2, Soles.
Soles is first personal foul. 2 seconds remaining time.
Defense by Pasino here. Mandin, spin move. Blocking foul.
There's a foul. For jersey number 56, Team God is second personal foul. Penalty. Remaining time.
Penalty natin sila. 5 minutes pa ang aton nga hampang sa third quarter. Mandin, 2 free throws. First attempt, basket.
First attempt, basket by Mandin. Bonus Vito, second attempt.
Second attempt. Basket. Up.
Outside.
There's a turnover.
5 minutes remaining time.
5 minutes. 22-point game. Martinez. Putting a move. Martinez.
Pass to Marco.
Gayo with a steal. Bindon. Pass to Penuela. Penuela.
Pass to Bindon. To Basino.
Basino looking for teammates.
Penuela.
Out to Penuela, number 4. 14 to shoot.
Shot clock. 10.
Nice pass to the loom. Pass to Bindon. No good. Rebound. Martinez. Team B running. Martinez.
To Martin.
Martin. Basket for 2.
2 minutes 20 seconds remaining time.
20-point game.
Penuela.
Agad. Nice move. Nice.
Shot clock.
Good defense. Oh. There's a blocking foul.
Foul number 14. Is third personal
Balik
foul.
sa sulod si Bam Bam, number 5 sa Team F. Init ni kagina sa first half. Magwa di si Basino. Nice move by Basino. Kaya makangya nga obra depensa sa kay Mandin. 2 free throws for Penuela. First attempt basket.
Second attempt.
Second attempt for number 4 of Team F.
Basket
Basket.
again. 4
Balik
minutes,
sa depensa.
12 seconds
Si Penuela
remaining
naman,
time.
ginabulos-bulusan nila si Mandin. Penuela naman, nagdepensa. Hasta sagwa ka depensa ba? Grabe ang depensa ni Consilor. Penuela kay Mandin.
Mandin.
Nice D.
Shot clock 14.
Best player against best player
Pass to
defending.
Bella.
Bella for 3. Basket! Grabe ang depensa kay Mandin pero grabe sa mangita teammates niya. Pasaya kay Mimbella for number 77. Naka-convert. Papa Mokendo. Grabe ang depensa ni Mimbella. Nice defense. Pass to Soles. Soles! Basket! For number 2. What a shot! Another defense. Good defense by Penuela. Penuela. Mandin. Grabe pahirapan ng depensa kay Mandin. Di grabe ang depensa. Mokendo dribbling. Nice pass to Soles. Soles down low. No good. Nice defense by Nimbella. Stealing the ball.
Bella pass to Martinez.
Out to Martinez. Kasadyang pa nila. Martinez. All the way. Foul by number 5. Gayo.
Gayo is third personal foul.
Time out.
Time out. PB.
Time out din ang Team B. Yung nakita mga do kinakapoy nila si Mandin Sampang.
Of the third
Grabe
foul.
depensa. Kinabulos-bulusan no na si Pasino ang depensa subong si Consilor Penuela. Score naton 78-57 ang 28-point lead na naog sa 21. 21 na lang ang abanse sang Team F sa Sininga third quarter. First attempt by Martinez. No good. Basket.
By Martinez.
Substitution. 20-point game. Ang 28 na naog sa
2
20.
minutes 56 seconds
Rest
remaining.
remaining. Soles. Orchestrating. Soles. To Bam Bam. Ang muning best 5 nila sang Team F.
Shot clock 14.
Pensa, grabe ni Pensa. Pero kuha niya po. Penuela all the way. Basket! What a move by number 4, Councilor Penuela. Principe for 3. No good. Rebound by Turing. There's a foul. There's a holding foul on number 2, Soles. Grabe, di ba kita? Pero kita. Referee. Second personal foul.
Basket. Second attempt. Basket again by Perez. 2 minutes 23 seconds remaining time.
Soles. Damo, di man nagdala ang team F. Pinuela, the center of offense. Pinuela. Si Ong nag-screen, set screen. Buka nami. Remove. Pinuela again. No good. Just too short. Rebound. Offensive rebound by number 13. Pinyosa. Out to Oquindo. Oquindo. Nice pass to Soles from Bam Bam Oquindo. Labas. Nimbela. Pass to Martinez. Nice move. Martinez no good. Grabing offensive rebound. Budlayan di ang team B. Soles out to Oquindo. Oquindo. 4-3. No good. Perte katadong. Nagabla lang. Oh, nice move. Nice move. Maintain all the way. No good. Miles. Kanami ka move. Ba't ko nibis? Oquindo fakes. Pass to Pinuela. Pinuela basket. Foul. By Kasama. Foul. What a move by Pinuela.
Number 77, Pinuela.
Pinuela, bonus free throw. Completed. The 3-point play. Gabi si Pinuela. Pag-shot, dipinsa dayon. Dipinsahan niya dayon si Dagoy. Mandin, ginapabudlayan niya si Dagoy. Nice D. By Gonyar. Anami ang match up. Nimbela, open for 3. No good. Rebound Mendoza. Guns rebound. Soles orchestrating the play. Soles. Pass to Oquindo. Oquindo fakes, drives, pass back to Soles. Pass to Oquindo. Fakes, pass to Peñosa. Fade away shot, basket. Para shot by Mike Justin Peñosa. Mandin all the way. Basket, left-handed shot. Back-to-back basket by both teams. Pinuela, Sanchez for 3. No good. Rebound Pinuela. Pinuela stops. Good defense. Perez, basket. Ganami ka po si Perez. Out to Oquindo. Oquindo, 15 seconds. Double team. Oquindo, double team. Fakes. Oquindo passes to Soles. Soles. Soles all the way back to Oquindo. Oquindo for 3. Misses. Rebound sa team F. One. Buzzer beater. Wala. Perte kasadya sa katon yung third quarter. Perte ang hampang naton team F at team B. Game 1 pa lang ni sa aton nga Magic 4. Dire kapamira sa aton nga Konsihal Pinuela. Marami sa hampang nila. Ang score naton 87-64, 23-point lead. Madako-dako di ang lalauton sa ang team B. Fourth quarter, 23 ang advances ang team F. Soles for 3, dugang bagin for 3 points. At up 3. Para na naman ang defense ni Pinuela to the best player of team B. So Mandin. Nice D by Pinuela. There's a foul. Aggressive ang defense ni Cons.
Shot clock 14. Martinez. Shot clock 10.
Principe, launches for 3. No good. Rebound, Martinez. Grabing rebound. Up, there's a steal. Turnover, Soles. Soles, nice pass to Peñosa all the way. Basket for 2. Peñosa with the 2 points. Mandin, well defended. Nice defense. Bam Bam, passes to Pinuela. Pinuela, there's a foul. Grabe kita sa Pinuela. Para shot.
Foul jersey number 24. The second personal foul. Pinuela for the bonus free throw.
Basket. Martinez. Hanap. Principe. Spot shot. No good. Kagina. Init ni si Principe sa first half. Oh, there's a steal. Steal. Bella. Up Mandin. Mandin. Challenging the defense of Ong. No good. There's a foul. Number 2. Pinuela again. Grabe, what a shot. Verde ang pasa ni Bambam Oquindo. Napangita, yagit permi si Cons. Nimbela, dribbling. Verde ang depensa ni Conso. Defense. Oquindo. Nice move. Timeout na. Nagalobo na ang abanse.
7 minutes 13 seconds of the final quarter. Score 99-64.
7 minutes remaining. Martinez para 3. Basket number 29. Raymond Martinez for 3.
Martinez.
Bambam naman kadala mula. Ang team F kadamo ni isang manogdala mula. Oh, spot up naman si Solis. Oh, for 3. No good. Ong. Pahirapan. Pasa kayo ng Bela. Mga bata, nagadagan. Out to the Mandin. All the way. Basket. Grabe ng team B. Mga granila. Ginapangita tayo nila si Mandin. Amoyo, number 14. Kinapalakat ni sa oras ang team F. Pasa-pasa. Pass kay Bambam Oquindo. Oquindo, kapangita pasahan. Out to Amoyo. Amoyo fakes. Amoyo. Pass to Binyosa. No good. Rebound. Team B. Ayan si Mandin. Mandin. Abaw. Wala pinagsugata kay Mandin. Taway-taway. All the way. For 2. Lagoy Mandin. Nagalaot sila. Walang oras. Oquindo. Fakes. Op, nag-attempt sa 3. Oquindo, no good. Rebound again by Tagoy. Grabe ng points rebound. Nag-assist. Mandin, what a pass by Mandin. 2 points kay Nimbela.
6 minutes remaining time.
Binyosa, dribbling, pass to Solis. Out to Ong. Ginapalakat nila ang oras. Playing with the time. Amoyo for 3, no good. Another rebound. Looking kapoy ang team F dire. Nimbela, spin move, nice move. Well defended by Bambam Oquindo. All the way, no good. Sorry, miss for number 19. Okay. Wise na play. Ginapalakat ang oras.
Shot clock 14. Solis.
14 seconds to shoot. Solis, crossover. Nice move, sidestep. Basket for 2. What a play by Solis. Another steal. Another steal for Team F. Bambam Oquindo, fakes. Ginawala ng teammates. Pangita naman si Solis liwat. Solis, nag-move liwat. Nice pass. Drawing to defender. Lopinyosa, spot up. No good. Rebound. Ang bola. Substitution. Balik liwat si Perez.
5 minutes remaining time.
5 minutes. Martinez. Over. Pasa. May Principe. Principe. Naglusot. Teardrop. No good.
No good.
Substitution. Balik si Big Daddy Gayo. Kag si Perez. Sa ilang respective teams. Pahuway si Ralph Ong. Si Pinuela sa Bensubong. Pahuway kay grabe ang iyang pamira sa third quarter. Bambam Oquindo, gadalas ang bola. Nice pass, Gayo. Shots, grabe si Gayo. Inside and outside play. Tagoy again. Mandin. Mandin. Shots for 3. No good. Alakat na lang oras ang Team F. Ang score nila 103-73. Oh, nice pass! Gayo block by Dio Campo. Mandin, nice pass. No Principe, basket. Nice pass by Mandin, finish.
Remaining time 3 minutes 15 seconds.
103-75. Oquindo. Taglukop using the muscle. Rebound Perez. Perez up. There's a foul. Nice sportsman play.
First.
First personal foul.
Martinez makes. Martinez, gina-challenge si Gayo. Nice
Good shot by
basket.
Martinez.
Running shot by number 29. Pinuela. Pinuela, double team. Pinuela. Oh. Amoyo. Amoyo, teardrop. No good. Rebound by Martinez. 3 minutes na lang ang nabilin. Mandin. There's a foul. No basket.
Perez. Pass to Vela.
Martinez. No good. Rebound. Nice save. There's a foul.
Plus 14.
Mandin all the way. Nice basket gapon. Even may presence ni Gayo, nakashoot gapon. Kaya kondisyon si Tagoy. Soles. Inatabok ang bola out to Pinuela, balik kay Soles. To Pinuela again. Fakes. Oh, to Bambam, nice pass. Outside. Or there's a steal again. Another turnover.
Last 2 minutes. Shot clock 14.
Grabe man ang depensa rin.
There's a foul. Foul over. No good rebound by Mandin. Back to Vela. Basket by Vela.
Soles, nice pass, Taglukop.
Taglukop.
Oh, grabe si Taglukop.
Vela. Pass to
Mandin, challenging Taglukop.
There's a foul. Foul number 6. Basket again. Basket again.
Talavera. Agaw.
Steal by Mandin.
Oh, by Mandin. All the way for 2 points.
Last 1 minute.
1 minute remaining. Up. Careless pass.
By Gayo. 53 seconds.
53 seconds remaining in the game. Score naton 105-85. Martinez. Mandin. All the way. Basket by Mandin.
Basket is gone. Mandin goes with your basket.
3-point play. Up. There's a steal. Outside. Talavera. Gina pressure. There's a foul. Gayo defended by Perez. Oy, grabe. Up. Taglukop. Rebound. Taglukop again.
40 seconds.
30 seconds remaining. Fast break pass to Oy, Mandin all the way for 2 points. 25 seconds remaining. Still good defense gyapon ang Team B. Soles, there's a foul.
There's a foul. Basket, 16 seconds.
16 seconds. Fast break. Oy, tsaktuhan nakapasa. Dembela for 2. Madugang pa score. 10 seconds.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the third quarter winner.
Score naton.
Team F. Official score 108-92 in favor of Team F.
108-92 ang aton final score. Congratulations, Team F. Winning against Team B.